of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart. Makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. I'm here in my bed. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just
So I'm on my way to my doctor's appointment. I'm just super tired. I still have these headaches that hopefully I can shake by the time I go back to school, but we'll see what happens.
I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says.
Hi, how are you? Whatever's fastest. I think one of the things about this surgery that is a little bit strange is that if you look at me, I look normal. I look like I could be up and doing things and about, but actually I have a really mild headache that is all day. The doctor did say things are looking good, so I am hoping that things continue to get better. But until then, I just need to get rest. I'm having a hard time doing that. Thank you. Alright, so I did make it back from my appointment. All good results. Super tired. I'm hopefully going to be back to school on Thursday. I do still have a bit of a headache. I'm about to go to bed. See you later. Stay in the gray area. Peace.